Hey, what's up? How's it going? It's Michael de Cruz. And question, do you want to know how to make money from home in 2021? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need in place to start earning money from the comfort of your home. Because guess what? I got this cup right here. It's a happy camper cup, and I want you to be a happy camper as well. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere because you're going to like this. Okay, so here we go. And before I continue, if you are into entrepreneurship, making money online, or interested in learning how to market on the internet properly, or anything that has to do with creating success on the internet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and press that bell notification. That way, each time I post something, you do not, miss out on that. All right. So let's go ahead and continue. So 2021, and during these times, more and more people are going online, and more people are looking for ways they can really create their own economy from the comfort of their home, right? So to tell you about a little bit about myself, not too long ago I was in the same place, maybe where you at. I was pretty much going online so I can look for ways that I can pretty much create my own paychecks, be my own boss, and pretty much just so I can be there and do the things that I love doing. I wanted to be a freedom artist of my life, and I found this method that I'm going to share with you that you can actually get started right away, to the link in the description, and really change your life, right? Because this online thing is not going anywhere, especially during times like these, and anything that happened in 2020 and what's happening now. You want to be more knowledgeable about how to really profit, how to really create the economy that you want to create in your life, the prosperity you want to create in your life from the comfort of your home, because that's where everything is pointing out now. Everything, if you notice, everything's going virtual. There's a lot of more like online educational, platforms coming out, and you don't want to miss out. You want to be able to be there and really earn some income, create your own income from the comfort of your home. And what I teach people is how they can really be their own boss, and really empower themselves to really succeed, on the internet. All right. So how how can you make money from the comfort of your home in 2021? So first of all, what you're seeing right here on the screen is pretty much my YouTube channel. As you can see, I have multiple videos here about different topics that is really designed to help people succeed. I've been doing this for a while now, and the things that you get to accomplish on the internet is really, to me, is really mind-blowing, because are things that some people are not aware of, but you can really create a lot of success on the internet. You can really make money, and this is what I've been dedicating myself to do, aside from other things. But this is what I really do every day. Each time I wake up, I go and think of a way that I can be of service to others, think of a way I can make somebody else's life better. And pretty much I'm in it to make a difference in people's lives. So if you're looking to make a difference, you want to change your life, you want to make, maybe you want to make some income on the internet, maybe to retire, or maybe you want to earn some extra money on the side, for saving, or maybe you have some goal, you want to become successful, then you are at the right place, because I'm here to help you out do that. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this PowerPoint presentation. So this is the title, is how to make money from home in 2021. Now, there are going to be three components you're going to need for that, to make it happen. All right, so the first thing you're going to need is a quality product or offer to sell, something that solves problem. And you say, it says to sell there, but really what you're doing, you're actually helping people on the internet, find solutions, right? So people are on the internet all the time looking for solutions to their problems. So you have to find something, you have to find a product that you can really offer to somebody that is, that they need to solve their problem, right? So this product has to be quality. So that's the first component you're gonna need. And if you stay to the end, don't worry about if you're just a beginner, you're starting out. Don't worry, I was there too, but I can help you locate, or find a place where you can have all of this done for you already and start making money. Okay, so again, the first thing you're gonna need is a quality product or offer to sell. And the easiest way, if you don't want to spend time, let's say creating products. You don't want to spend your time, uh, I can say, just spending time doing market research and all that stuff you got to do to create a product. Then what I would advise you to do is to go towards the affiliate marketing place, because in affiliate marketing, it's like the easiest and fastest way that you can really succeed online, right? It's the fastest way you can actually make money because the products are already created for you. So all you have to do is just find products that you can promote on behalf of other people and then get paid. So before I continue on this, affiliate marketing is basically you're taking somebody else's product and you're selling it, and they're paying you for selling their products. That's what affiliate marketing is. It's pretty much like referring people to products or services, and then the person who created that product or service will pay you a commission, and then you get paid, right? So that's what affiliate marketing is. Is my number one recommendation if you're just starting out, because it's the easiest and fastest way to start profiting online. Let me go ahead and point you to a website that you can go ahead and do that. So this is one of my recommended websites called clickbank.com. So clickbank.com, you just go there, type that on the web address, and what you want to do, you want to simply go to the website, and then you can click here where it says promote. That way you can find top performing products to promote. And once you scroll down a little bit, you're gonna see this join ClickBank here, and you're just gonna create an account, right? You're gonna create an account, and what you're gonna have access to a lot of products in different niches, of your choice. It could be something that has to do with health and wellness. Maybe you want to help people with health and wellness. There's a lot of people searching online for, maybe they want to lose weight, maybe they have some back pain, they're looking for products that can help them out. You can find things in there, or fitness courses that you can promote, and people that are finding it or that are looking for that to solve the problem, right? Maybe they want to get in shape. You can promote that, those products to those people, to that market, right? You can do this on Facebook groups. You can go to a Facebook group, you can promote the products in there, or you can use YouTube to do it as well. You can promote products on YouTube, as a lot of people are doing it. And guess what? Each time somebody buys something from this website, once you create your account, then guess what? You're gonna get paid. You're gonna get sent a check in the mail. Maybe you're gonna get something deposited into your PayPal account. So it's really, really cool. I don't know how I can stress like the feeling of like receiving checks from this company, ClickBank, and basically this is what affiliate marketing is all about. It's all about finding products, quality products that solves a problem, and you promoting it to people that are already looking for that, right? And that's what marketing is pretty much. It's pretty much presenting a product or solution in front of an audience that is already looking for it. That's what good marketing is. You're not spamming people. You're not like putting links everywhere where people are not even, on other people's timelines and things like that, or comments. I know a lot of people do that. Like, that's called spamming. What you're doing, pretty much, you're posting this on targeted places where people are already looking for the information or looking for the product, if that makes sense. All right, so this is like the easiest and fastest way you can start making money. This is how I have made all my sales online. Just simply finding products, becoming an affiliate, and what it does, once you go to websites like these, the product creator will give you an affiliate link, and that affiliate link has like an ID that is only it's like an ID that is only tagged to you. So that link that they give you is only unique to you, and that's the link that you use to promote the product. So each time somebody clicks on that link and they buy something, guess what? You get paid because the link that you use has an ID that is tagged to you. All right, and that's how they track who sold what. Okay, so really, really cool stuff, and that's just pretty much basic things. So affiliate marketing is the way to go. Now, that's the first thing, is the product or service. So now I show you, if you don't want to create your own products, you don't have your own products, you don't have a business, I already show you how to go out there and create an account. And the cool thing about ClickBank is that it's free to use. So basically you go to clickbank.com and you create a free account, and then you start promoting, right? You can use, again, you can use platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, etc. Okay, so that's pretty much one of the websites. All right. Now, the second thing you're gonna need, number two, is an effective system that does the telling and selling on your behalf 24/7, 365 days a year, right? And this is what gives you the freedom right here. You have people making money from the comfort of their homes while they sleep, making money, while they're on vacation. It's because they have a system in place that's doing the telling and selling on their behalf, whether they're on their computer or not. So this is what allows you to pretty much escape from your it allows you to escape from your business. You don't have to be a slave to your business because you have a system in place that's doing the telling and selling on your behalf. All right. Um, Basically, a system is composed of these three things I'm going to show you. Number one, it's actually composed of a squeeze page, right? And then it has the product of the solution, and it's like the checkout page. And then it has something called an autoresponder. An autoresponder uh, is basically a software that sends emails to your audience. So, for example, somebody this is traffic right here, and traffic is visitors, eyeballs. They put their information on this page. Then, after they put the information, then guess what? They're gonna receive emails from you, and basically, it's like doing a follow up because you want to follow up with people too, right? So once they enter the name and email, they automatically get into your autoresponder, and then they're gonna receive follow-up because sometimes they don't have time to look at the whole information, or they want to look at it later on. So you're kind of reminding them, hey, look, you went to this website, you gave me permission to email you. Check this out again, all right? And then of course, once they enter the name and email, they also have they get transferred to the presentation. Okay, so really simple stuff right here. Uh, That's pretty much the second component is the system in place, and that's what the system is composed of. Number three is pretty much as you can see, the first option here on the funnel is traffic. So basically, number three is learning to drive traffic. And what is traffic? Traffic is, like, again, it's visitors. So you have to learn how to put your solution in front of interested people on the internet. You don't want to put your solution in front of people that are not looking for it, right? That's how you do proper marketing. So if somebody is into cats, you don't want to put owls in front of them because they're not interested. These people are just gonna get annoyed at you. They're gonna think that you're spamming them. But if it's somebody that's already interested in what you're looking for, then guess what? It's most likely that person will look more into what you're offering, and they're gonna buy something, right? And then guess what? You get paid. All right. So this is the cool thing about making money online in 2021 is that you're able to create this system here in place where you can start making money over and over again, 24/7, whether you sleep or not. This is like passive income that I'm talking about here. Okay. So if you were wondering how to make money from home in 2021, that's how you really do it. So as you can see, that's one of the methods, or actually my number one recommended method to actually make money from the comfort of your home. All you got to do is just pretty much get started. And a lot of times people get stuck on having to create their own products, building their own systems, and thinking about that they have to be all techie and have all this previous experience. Well, guess what? You don't, right? Because all of this stuff can be done for you. You can have the products already done for you. You can have the system already set up for you. And you can have the right training with the right people in the right environment done for you as well. Now, the question is, where can you find that? Well, that's where I come into place, because on the description, I left you a link. Go ahead and click that link if you're ready to get started today. Go ahead and click that link in the description, that first link. Get all the details, watch the video, and just get started right away, because 2021 is going to be your year if you're ready to rock and roll, if you're ready to be a happy camper. Let me show you my cup here. That's my happy camper cup, as you can see, and I want you to be a happy camper. So check out the link in the description, get started. Of course, you're gonna watch a video that's gonna explain to you how you can get all this set up. It's gonna give you a training as well. So hope you got a lot of value from this video though, and if you did, just let me know in the comments and make sure you subscribe. But again, if you're ready to make 2021 the year for you to make money from the comfort of your home, like I have for for many months now, go ahead and get started. All right. So click the link in the description, and we'll see you on the inside.